Summary Chapter 2. Once More to the Lake, Once More to the Lake is a narrative nonfiction essay written by E.B. White. Once More to the Lake recounts White's experience of revisiting, as an adult, a lakefront camp in Maine that his family frequently visited when he was a child. White's father once took his family for a vacation to the lake. The vacation was a success, and from then on, none of White's family ever thought there was any place in the world like that lake. White finds himself yearning to go back and plans a vacation with his son. On his way to the lake, White wonders how time would have marred the campsite. He finds that the paved road does indeed extend nearly all the way to the lake, but is delighted to find that the campsite is more or less the same as he remembers. Settling into the vacation, White is struck by a strange sensation. I began to sustain the illusion that my son was I, and therefore, by simple transposition, that I was my father. This notion persists as the two go fishing, and White feels convinced that everything was as it always had been. After reflecting on the virtues of summer vacation and the jollity and peace and goodness that characterize his memories of the camp, White pinpoints the appearance of outboard motorboats as the quality that most spoils the illusion of a return to his youth. He contrasts these engines with the one-cylinder boat engines that fascinated him as a child. Overall, White enjoys this vacation with his son, and although there have been some noticeable changes around the camp, he can maintain the illusion that he has assumed the place of his father and returned to his childhood.